Hello friends, let's have a look how we can ease transitions a bit and make them more smooth. So for this we go to Effects, then we go to the video transitions, and because not every transition has this property, I know that the motion transitions have that property though. I will go with one or all of them. So I put a transition here. I will stretch it a bit so that this effect can be better visible for you. You see that this transition takes place just with one speed, but let's give it an in and out ease. Then we will see that it's in between a little bit faster than in the in and out points. Makes it a little more smooth, a little bit more elegant. So let's just look how it will behave with the push. Here we also go with the in and out ease. And while we edit, just have a look with the slide. And with the split. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.